This AMI Parts AAP73631502 refrigerator door shelf is a sturdy replacement that restores full use of the top right door space on many LG and Kenmore bottom freezer models. The bin is carefully sized to match the original dimensions, so it snaps into the door rails securely without wobbling or awkward gaps. Its thick, opaque plastic feels more rugged than many factory clear bins and easily supports heavy items like a full gallon of milk or bulky condiment bottles. Compatibility with a long list of original equipment manufacturer part numbers makes it a convenient solution when you are unsure which exact shelf your refrigerator originally used. The two-pack configuration is especially practical if you need to replace multiple cracked bins or want a spare on hand for future breakage. Overall, this shelf offers a straightforward, tool-free installation and dependable everyday performance that makes an aging refrigerator feel much more organized and usable again.